Okay, Tuesday, August 30th, this is following up on NVDA. You can see here we're continuing to head lower. The options are up to 602 now. Bought those at 440. In terms of targets, what I'm now looking at, obviously, bought the puts here, the first blue line, the first target here was the second blue line. Now we're coming down. It's getting to the point where you might have a little pause happening here, but if we look at the final blue line target here, that kind of goes to the daily chart. That's what you're kind of looking at now that you have that day below the midpoint of yesterday. Early price action heading lower, red bar forming. You kind of have to look at this next little low here as the target, which is like 154.45 or 154.44, something like that. And we're heading down there. We're about a little over a point away from that. So that should be where we're heading. And then and this could be once that's hit, you have targets down below, the weekly targets down below. So it's just a matter of how weak the stock wants to be today. With its first target was hit, second target looks pretty probable at this point. You're going to watch it head down here, but at that point you're getting a big, maybe 4 or 5 pushes on the 15-minute chart to open. So got to be a little careful in terms of a pause, but there's no reason to take it long or anything. It's just a matter of at what point is going to pause a little bit. It could give you a night, if he doesn't reach that target, you pause in here, you get kind of just a brief, orderly pullback. You could get a secondary trade down to that target later today as well. So we're just gonna have to kind of follow it, bar by bar by bar, and see kind of where price action leads us with these targets in mind. And again, below there are a lot of other targets as well. If momentum really wants to keep going, again, about a point away now, continuing even lower. Options up to 635. So it's just a matter of watching at this point. Again, the main thing being that the puts were bought here at the first blue line, and then you have, given opening price action, and then you had various targets below, and that's what we're moving towards now. So again, good trade on NVIDIA puts this morning.